Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Naveed Noor Chandio, Teaching Assistant, Department of Geography, Shah Abdul Latif University, Khairpur. As you know that oceanography is our subject name, and today's our topic name is topography of ocean. First of all, we know about topography. Is the study of Earth's surface, shape and features. Ocean topography is the study of the ocean floor and the features of which. असां पहिरियां जीअं त हमेशह टोपोग्राफी असां अर्थ सरफेस जी पढ़ी आहे, पर अॼु असां टोपोग्राफी ओशन फ्लोर जी पढ़ंदासीं ऐं उन जा फीचर्स ॼाणींदासीं ऐं हलूं था असां ओशन फ्लोर जा फीचर्स ॼाण जे तरफ़. First features of ocean floor is abyssal hills, samudri takri hills along the ocean floor, ranging in the height and diameter. These hills are much larger than the hills we see on land, 100 to 2000 meters high and several kilometers across. Abyssal plains. Abyssal plains are flat or very gently sloping areas of the deep ocean basin floor. They generally lie between the foot of continental rise and a mid-oceanic ridge. Continental shelf. The continental shelf is the extended perimeter of each continental and associated coastal plain and was part of the continent during the glacial periods but is under during interglacial periods. This is the continental shelf. And now the continental slope, मतलब त जिथे खंड जी लाही हुजे, the descending slope which connects the sea floor to the continental shelf. This is still considered to be part of the continents. Continents rise. A gently slope with a generally smooth surface built up by the shedding of sediments from the continental block and located between the continental slope and the abyssal plain. Gayout. A gayout, also known as table mount, is a flat topped seamount. Their flatness is due to erosion by waves, winds and atmospheric process. And now next, mid-oceanic ridge. A mid-oceanic ridge is an underwater mountain range typically having a valley known as a rift running along its spine formed by plate tectonic. It is usually at oceanic spreading center, which is responsible for seafloor spreading. Trench, मतलब त सामुंडी खडूं. The oceanic trenches are hemispheric scale, one hemispheric to another, long but narrow topographic dispersions of the seafloor. They are also to deepest part of the ocean floor. And Mariana Trench. तव्हां सभु ॼाणींदा हूंदव त मारियाना ट्रेंच दुनिया में सभ खां गहरे में गहरी सामुंडी खॾ आहे जेका पैसिफिक ओशन में आहे. It is the deepest part of the world's oceans and the deepest location on the surface of the Earth's crust. It has a maximum deepest of about 10,911 meters or 11 kilometers. A sea mountain is a mountain rising from the ocean seafloor that does not reach to the water surface sea level and thus is not an island. These are typically formed from extant volcanoes that rise abruptly. मतलब त ही सामुंडी जबल आहे ऐं ही जबल समुंड जे तरे खां पाणीअ जे मथाछिरे तरफ़ वधंदड़ आहे ऐं हिन जो क़िस्म बिल्कुलु ॿरंदड़ जबल वांगुरु बल्कि वाल्कीनो जहिड़ो थींदो आहे. ओशनिक आइलैंड मतिलबु त उहे ॿेट जेके समुंड जे तरे में हुजनि. One type of oceanic islands is found in a volcanic islands arc. These islands arise from volcanoes where the subduction of one plate under another is occurring. Atoll. An atoll is an island of coral that encircle a lagoon partially or completely. मतलब त अहिड़े क़िस्म जो ॿेट जेको समुंड में बिल्कुलु गोलाई वारे शेप में हुजे उनखे असां अटल चवंदा आहियूं. एंड नाउ हाइड्रोथर्मल वेंट. अ हाइड्रोथर्मल वेंट इज़ अ फिशर इन अ प्लेन सरफेस फ्रॉम which geothermal heated water issues. Hydrothermal vents are commonly found near volcanically active places, area where tectonic plates are moving apart, ocean basins, and hot spots. Passive continental margins found along most coastal areas that surround the Atlantic Ocean, not associated with plate boundaries, experience little volcanism and few earthquakes. Winter sandy beaches. Active continental margins. Continental slope descends abruptly into a deep ocean trench located primarily around the Pacific Ocean. Accumulation of deformed sediments and scarps of ocean currents from accretionary wedges. Some subduction zones have little or no accumulation of sediment, narrow beaches. And now the seafloor sediments. सामुंडी तरे वारी मिट्टी. Ocean floor is mantled with sediments and now sources. Tributary currents. Sedimentary that slowly settles to the bottom from above. Thickness varies. Thickest in trenches, accumulations may approach 10 kilometers. Thickness varies. Pacific Ocean about 600 meters or less, and Atlantic Ocean from 500 to 1000 meters thick. Mud is the most common sediment on the deep ocean floor. हिन में जेके थिकनेस वेरीज़ आहिनि सिर्फ़ु ॿिनि ओशननि जूं बयानु थियल आहिनि. पहिरियां जेको आहे उहो पैसिफिक ओशन ऐं सेकंड ते आहे उहो एटलांटिक ओशन जी बयानु थियल आहे. टाइप्स ऑफ सी फ्लोर सेडिमेंट्स. ऐं हाणे असीं सामुंडी तरे जी मिटी जा क़िस्म पढ़ंदासीं. ट्रेजिनियस सेडिमेंट्स. मटीरियल वेदरिंग फ्रॉम continental rocks. Virtually every part of the ocean receives some. Fine particles remain suspended for a long time. Oxidation often produce red and brown colored sediments. Biogenous sediments. Shell and skeletons of marine animals and plants. Most common are calcareous ooze, produced from microscopic organisms that inhabit warm surface waters. Siliceous is composed of skeletons of diatoms and radiolarians. Phosphate-rich materials derived from the bones, teeth, and scales of fish and other marine organisms. Third and last type of seafloor sediments. Hydrogenous sediments. Minerals that crystallize directly from seawater. Most common types include manganese nodules, calcium carbonates, metasulfates, and evaporites. Thank you so much. ही समुंड जी तरे वारी मिट्टी जा जेके तव्हांखे लास्ट में 3 मुख्य क़िस्म हुया जेके असीं उहाँखे बयान करे ॿुधायासीं। इंशाअल्लाह हिकु ॿिए नए वीडियो सां गॾु ऐं नए टॉपिक सां गॾु उन्हनि जे अॻियां पेश थींदासीं।